service module where the explosion happened was jettisoned. And it burnt up on the Earth's atmosphere.
In the seconds before it is lost forever, the exhausted crew grabbed this photograph on high-resolution film.
As the service module drifts away, they look over and they can see that one of the panels is missing on the side of the service module. It's been blown completely off.
This damaged section contains both the fuel cells and oxygen tanks. And by expanding and stabilizing the vital image the crew managed to grab, it's possible to recover more detail. The fuel cells are visible, but something appears to be missing. Oxygen Tank 2. NASA telemetry shows that Tank 2 loses pressure instantaneously at the time of the explosion.
Oxygen is stored in liquid form. If that container is exposed to the vacuum of space, you transfer from a liquid into a gas very rapidly with massive expansion. This transformation from liquid to gas has enough force to vent the panel out into space.
All the evidence suggests the disaster is triggered by the explosive failure of Oxygen Tank 2.